Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image in Adobe Illustrator. First, let's check if the image has a background. Go up to the View menu and select Show Transparency Grid. This grid helps you see whether your image has a background or not. Next, select your image. On the right panel, click on the Image Trace button and choose the High Fidelity Photo option. Illustrator might give you a pop-up if your image is large. It's just letting you know that the process might take a little longer. If that happens, click OK and wait for it to finish tracing. Once the trace is done, click on the Expand button. This converts your image into vector paths. Now, right-click on the image and select Ungroup. This separates the image into different parts, including the background. Click out of the image, then click on the background to select it. Press Delete. If there are any leftover pieces, like small artifacts, you can delete those too. Once you're happy with the result, select your image again and group it back together by right-clicking and choosing Group. That's it. You've successfully removed the background. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.